Number 5 here has us looking at the arc length. If the circle below has a radius of 15 centimeters, find each arc length. All right, so here is the, let's say radius is 15. Let's see, where is the arc? Right here. This is 15. Okay, we would want to find the arc, find each arc length. Okay, so then we want to now look at arc right here of VW. All right, so let's see how we can get this. Oh, perfect. If this is 60, if this is 26 degrees, this is also 26 degrees by vertical angles. Okay, because notice these are vertical. Does that make sense? Vertical angles. Okay, since they're vertical angles, the arcs have to be congruent. Okay, the arcs then have to be congruent. If the arcs are congruent, that means arc YX is equal to or congruent to arc UV. Okay, that's why it's 26. Then we know that this forms 90. So we can say UV, arc UV plus VW is equal to 90. And we know arc UV is 26. Okay, because again, that is because of vertical angles. We subtract 26 to both sides, then you get your arc of VW. So subtract 9, we have 90 minus 26. This gets you 64 degrees. Okay. Next you have UXV. U, X, and V. UXV. Oh, UXV is the entire thing. Look, it's this. Okay, so notice if we get the entire thing, which is 360, then we minus that arc of UXV. Okay, we remove the blue, this part. Okay. What do we have left? Oh, look, we have that part of UV left. And that part of UV that we had left, okay, is UV. And we, UV. But we know UV is 26 degrees, right? So do you see how I set up my equation so I have one unknown, which is the arc, right? So here I'm going to, let's say, minus 360 to both sides. Okay, it's going to get sloppy because there's going to be two negatives, right? Here's the first, this arc is a negative, and let's do that. 26 minus 360. You see how there's a negative on both sides, right? You could divide by -1, divide by -1. That's how you get it to be both positives, and that is 334 degrees, right? So there you go. There's other ways you can set up an equation for arc UXV. I just showed it from subtracting it from 360.